Welcome to Kayukido.
Today we discuss how to clean a bassinet that doesn't come apart step-by-step guide. Do you wish to learn how to clean a bassinet that doesn't come apart? Parenting is a procedure that is followed by both stress and joy. This process begins even before the baby is born. It helps the different partners to prepare the different parts in advance. When you get your baby, you will come across stains that result from the diaper blowouts and spit up. In this review, you will go through a cleaning guide that is complete and best for one to apply on the different bassinets. Besides, there are major instructions that are ideal for use with the different popular models. Ensure you read through this review and determine the best nature one should clean the bassinet naturally, easily, and quickly. What is a bassinet? A bassinet refers to a bed whose design is best for infants' use. It is best for all kids who are 4 months or less. The bassinet comes in a small size which makes the product perfect for temporary nurseries and tight spaces. The materials involved are foams and a bassinet mattress. For instance, if you wish your newborn to sleep in your bedroom especially for just a few months, the bassinet will take smaller general space. In many cases, people compare bassinet to cradles that have been made for newborns' use. Also, bassinets are stationary items and they come in a rocking motion. Both cradles and bassinets are stationary products accompanied by rocking features. Cribs are much heavier and consist of heavier sides. Besides, their overall permanence is much more and affects the nature in which children get to sleep. Besides, many bassinets are portable and lightweight. Thus, they are tools that are ideal for storage and travel purposes. Similar to many baby furniture pieces, there is a hard part that helps in the cleanup of the bassinet. At the same time, you will figure out the best pieces that are ideal for cleaning with a washing machine. When to clean your baby bassinet. In case you find there is a buildup of dirt in the bassinet, it is best for one to engage in the overall thorough cleaning process. For one to eliminate the unseen and seen dirt, there are some rules that a person should always put into consideration. It is recommended that one gets to wash the baby's linen at least 1 or 2 times every week. In the case of the bassinet body, the overall amount of time taken is much less. Also, the baby will never have close contact with the given frame. Different germs will aid in the general buildup of an immune system that is sturdy. How to take the baby bassinet covers off to wash. The bassinet consists of a small bed that is designed to help the infants to rest. A bassinet is much smaller compared to a crib. The piece is high transitional to allow usage by infants and newborns. In many cases, the bassinet will be based in the parent's room, particularly in the stage where the child is still young. Similar to the crib, these bassinets come with cushions and fabric covers which give high levels of comfort. Different kinds of mess are likely to form in the fabric. When you wish to wash these bassinets, you will remove the different materials with a lot of ease. How to clean bassinet mattress. Similar to all kinds of baby furniture, the hardest part in cleaning the bassinet is to figure out the best parts that one should consider to throw in the washing machine. The overall cleaning process entails taking pieces that come off and determining the best way to wash the different pieces. Besides, the pieces are hand-washed and machine washable. Some other parts are only post-clean, and thus there is a necessity of wiping and doing a spot treatment on different parts. How to clean a bassinet that doesn't come apart. If you wonder how best to clean a bassinet, here are the steps that you should follow. 1. Follow given instructions. Bassinets are the best cribs alternatives. When one is cleaning a bassinet for the first time, there is a great need to go through the manufacturer's instructions, especially before you get to engage in any other thing. It is a major part that determines how the other steps will be. With instructions, you will determine how to reassemble and assemble the different parts because of their machine washable nature. When one fails to follow the given instruction, there might be some damage to some of the bassinet parts. 2. Washing preparations. Before you get to a given store, ensure you get to check on the different bassinet parts. Ensure the bassinet parts never get washed with regular cleaners and detergents. The place that the baby lays should at all times smell fresh and nice in absence of strong fragrances. Before your onset on the bassinet cleaning process, you need to ensure you have all the different items you acquire. In the case where you do not have cleaning products, ensure you use a damp cloth. 3. Start to clean. With the instructions and all the required supplies, it is best for one to onset on the nature in which the cleaning process should be done. Remove all the bassinet parts which are machine washable. Ensure you have closures and zippers to determine the removable parts. 4. Bassinet frame cleaning process. Some people find this part to be simple while others find it to be hard. Though this is not a promising part, there is a great need to concentrate on different tasks to avoid the occurrence of problems. Ensure you go through the instructions accompanied by the bassinet. This way, you will determine the bassinet frame's special treatments. Besides, you may as well mix hot water or warm the water. Regardless of your preference, ensure you use a mild soap. 5. Air drying of the bassinet. When one wipes the bassinet using a clean cloth, there is a need to remove the excess moisture present on the frame. Thus, one should put the bassinet outside and thus put it in the light until the time it gets to dry up completely. For the last part, you should never rush the procedure, and this will avoid reassembling the bassinet. Moisture brings about many problems. At other times, it brings bacteria, fungi, and mildew which are likely to bring about harm. 6. Bassinet reassembling process. When one dries and cleans the bassinet thoroughly, ensure you assemble the product. This is a major step that requires people to do it properly. This way, you will prevent any kind of malfunction, especially while one makes the baby sleep. As you go through the manual steps, quickly go through them and ensure all the parts are put into place in the right way. Warning. As you use a bassinet, ensure you keep checking on the safety requirements. You need to have a mattress with puffy sides and soft materials to have great overall stability. Conclusion. You have now learned how to clean a bassinet that doesn't come apart easily and quickly. I am sure you have realized the task is not hard. It is best baby bassinet to plan the process for you to have an assurance the bassinet is deep cleaned in the right manner. This way, you will have assurance there are no steps that will be done in the wrong way.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.